This product is the Windsor door handles in black. The PZ sensor on these handles is 92mm. The distance between the screw holes is 122mm, and the length of the back plate from top to bottom is 205mm. These handles come as a pair. You get one inside and one outside. It also comes with 4 fixing bolts. 2 of the fixing bolts are 80mm and 2 of the fixing bolts are 70mm. That means that these will fit a door 58mm thick all the way up to 70mm thick. The handles also come with a spindle with an 8mm diameter. Now these handles are also sprung. This means that when you push the handle down, they automatically return back up to 90 degrees. This is ideal if you've got a locking system where the springs are getting a little bit worn or tired, or you've just got floppy handles and you like them back to be 90 degrees. If we turn the handle over, you can see there is the spring cassette. I want to turn the handle there, you can see as it springs back up. Now these handles are also universal. That means they will fit a door which is either left or right handed, opening inwards or opening outwards. To change the hand of these handles, you grab the lever, you turn through 180 degrees, and that turns that to the opposite hand. We get the outer handle and do exactly the same, and that's the handing of your handles all changed. If you need any more information about these handles, please visit us at www.handlesandhinges.co.uk.